Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 11th, our word of the day is gaffe. G-A-F-F-E. Gaffe. Gaffe is a 5-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Gaffe is a remark or action that is a social mistake and not considered polite. In other words, a social or diplomatic blunder, faux pas. A gaffe is a mistake that embarrasses you in front of others. If you run into a friend out with her grey-haired father, and you blurt out, "Oh, hi, you must be Tara's grandfather," then you've made a gaffe. Similar words include blooper, blunder, impropriety, indiscretion, boner, howler, indecorum, slip, solecism, faux pas. Examples of sentences using gaffe are: he knew by the silence that greeted his speech that he had made some kind of gaffe. I made a real gaffe. I called his new wife Judy, which is the name of his ex-wife. Was that a bit of a gaffe then, starting to eat before everyone else had been served? The consul's comments were a major diplomatic gaffe. I had no idea of the gaffe which I was committing. Following the embarrassing Christmas Day gaffe, several senior editorial staff was suspended. Make sure to save this new word, gaffe, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.